Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful Honda CG125 from 1986. Drum brakes front and rear. Getting very rare these days that they're in any sort of condition. I say this one is absolutely prime for someone who wants a complete original or mostly original CG125 and may like to do a little bit of work, cleaning, buffing, detailing, just that general maintenance kind of thing to a bike and get it up spick and span. Absolutely perfect example, and as I said, getting very hard to find in this kind of condition. So overall, we've done our full run through. It kicks first time, it runs really nicely, and it's on to the next person to kind of do what they want with it. Front tire here is in really nice condition. Front mudguard here, little signs of pitting and aging in it. Again, 1986 bike. Front forks here, again, little signs of aging throughout here. Front headlamp is good. Again, probably needs a good detail. Sorry, there's a bug on me. Up over the top, original clocks, which are in actually very nice condition as well. As you can see, 8,768 miles on it. All the indicator, headlamp or high beam, all that kind of stuff. Tank is showing little signs of, little signs of coming through in the paint there, again with the top cap. Again, I think what it would really do well with was a cut and polish. But over on this side, you can see that's kind of what you would get out of it. Really nice stickers, all really good. CG125 side panels good here as well. Engine has signs of aging. Again, could be something that could be restored up fairly nicely. The chain guard is present, all good. Rear alloy is showing signs of aging as well, as you can see. Not 100%, but there's a rear Pirelli on that. Pirelli's front and rear actually on the bike itself. Seat is in good condition apart from this tear here, which is a shame, but I believe that's an original seat. Yes, it is. Original seat with the bike, 1986. Little bits of, you can see a little crack here at the rear on the rear mudguard, and little bits of, I think that would have been from the number plate that was on it before, rubbing on it there. The rear tire is in good condition. The original Honda exhaust here, pegs for your pillion passenger, everything like that, all really good, as you can see. And I think someone who knows a CG125, an era of this bike, will know exactly what they're looking at. Again, you can just see that sides of, or like a reaction or something coming through there. But apart from that, all really nice. So that's the Honda CG125 walk around. Let's go for a ride. Okay, second to last bike is this nice little CG125. So start the bike, just make sure that, okay, we are on reserve, that's fine. Turn the ignition on and we'll just get on to kick it. There we go, first kick. How good was that? Let's go ahead and have a bit of crack on it. And away we go. First things first, very easy to kick, easy sitting position, very comfortable is kind of what these are known for. And are indicators working? They are actually. Sorry, I didn't have that pressed in there. All going fairly nicely. As you can imagine from a bike from 1987. A little bit of vibrations through the feet and hands. I'm untying the dog up there, or I don't know what's going on. Stick her in there, into first gear. Getting a bit of a dirty look there. Away we go! Up the hill here now. If we can hopefully not be killed by this I'm just checking if my mic is still existing, and I'll see. Is it hanging down? No, it's here, is it?
I don't know. Hopefully you can hear me and my mic isn't bollocks. I'll just turn her around here and we'll move around. It's gotten better since it's warmed up actually a bit. Doesn't feel as kind of vibration-y as it once did. Let's try the horn. Horn is inactive, we'll have to get that done. A nice dog there. Gonna turn in left here. Going through all the gears though fairly nicely. I mean 1987 or 86 I should say. But if you have liked the video up until now, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the video. It would be greatly appreciated if you can hear me even. Maybe you cannot. Oh, I've stalled her here. Hold on. Ow. There we go. Just needed a bit of a rev. And away we go. Sorry about all that. I buggered that one up. I'll just turn into the left here. Go through all the electrics and so on. As you can see, it's idling nicely there now. I just turned it onto the on position rather than reserve. Maybe it was getting some poor fuel from the bottom of the reserve tank. As you can see, idling nicely there. We'll go through the electrics. You know, the horn for whatever reason isn't working, so we'll get that sorted. Front light indicator working, rear right indicator working, front left indicator working, rear left indicator working, and the brake light working as well there. As I said, could be good for someone looking to kind of have a little bit of a light resto mod or restoration gig on the bike. The horn actually looks like it's brand new, so it might just be a connection thing at the back of it. But if you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at RetroBikesDublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.